Hey, welcome to DuanesWorld with me, Duanes, the BoozinBlogger, coming at you. I know I said I was going to do no cooking videos for the next few weeks, but this isn't a cooking video. This is a drink video. That's right. Today we are going to make what they call a green tea. Charles, the beer review guy, introduced me to this at the Crazy Horse in Ottawa, so we're going to make one. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You take a half ounce of Jamesons. Okay, half ounce of Jamesons, half ounce of peach schnapps. Okay, half ounce of simple syrup. I just made this today. Simple syrup, pretty easy to make. And a half of lemon juice. We're going with the stuff like this. I'll just okay. Put it in your shaker. Add some ice cubes to her. Shake her all up. Get her nice and mixed. Well, shaker glass is freezing it up already, which means it's good to go. Okay, so now you just get the liquid. Leave the ice cubes alone. I don't have shooter glasses. Oh, dropped an ice cube in there. Oh well, won't kill me. All right, here we go. Oh, that is just so good. And this one turned out just as good as they do in the bar. Cheers. Drink responsibly, though. These are perfect. Have yourself a great day, and remember, don't be a fucking asshole.